Elitex is an international company specializing in the manufacturing of textiles for the awning and blind industry. Elitex offers 70 years combined experience with our partner, Uniline Australia. We have over 30,000 meters of factory production space and use the latest state-of-the-art looms, weaving, yarn coating, and finishing machines, which is a key to ensuring we remain a global leader in the textile industry. This, combined with years of experience, allows us to deliver consistent quality every time. Our fabric is used to produce roller blinds, Roman shades, panel blinds, vertical blinds, and fabric awnings. We have three main categories. Blockout Fabrics, ideal for blocking out exterior light and keeping the house cool in summer. This fabric uses a tight weave construction and a formulation coating. Screen fabrics, used where daytime views, natural light, and cool breezes are desired. The weave construction comes in a variety of openness, from 1% up to 12%. And last of all is our light filter fabrics. These fabrics allows a high level of filtered light penetration while maintaining total privacy. Comes in both textured or patterned designs with a soft appearance. Importantly, we are dedicated to the global environment with zero tolerance for carbon emissions and waste disposal. You can also be assured that you and your family are safe, knowing that our fabric is environment friendly. All our fabrics are proudly researched and developed in our own laboratories. Every batch of fabric is tested for strength, durability, and color integrity, making us synonymous with high-quality textiles. We understand our clients' needs. That is why at Elitex, we have an extensive customer service team who provides sales and technical support. We pride ourselves on efficiency, and we use the latest technologies to ensure that our products are distributed on time throughout the world. Improving today for a better tomorrow. Elitex fabric. Our name says it, and our quality proves it.